See, each rifle squad in the MBCT is authorized its own Javelin anti-tank missile system. In the old IBCT, Javelins only lived in the weapon squad, and the rifle squads, the main maneuver ones, had to go basically ask the weapon squad to come over and shoot something if a tank-like thing popped up one day. Pushing the Jav down to the rifle squad means every squad of the platoon now has its own organic answer to the question, what if tank though? This is aided naturally by the new ISV because Javelins are stupid heavy, but that matters a lot less if you aren't actually carrying them the whole way. Half the fight of getting a kill with a Javelin is being at the right place at the right time. So with more Javs in more places, it increases the chance that the time part of the equation will work itself out. And this shift actually fixes a problem that the army's had for as long as I can remember. See, traditional weapon squads and light units were made up of 240 gun teams and the Jav teams, but putting both of those systems in one squad, obviously, comes at a personnel cost, and that cost typically being the 240's ammo bearer. 240s are supposed to have crews of 3, the machine gunner, assistant gunner, and ammo bearer.